Alright guys, so today we're going to be meeting up with my buddy Jacob R Doty. He's actually been, we met each other a little bit. We haven't fully like hung out or nothing when I was going up north. We met up with him, but today he's visiting me and we finally got the Cobra kind of up and running. So we're going to shoot a video with his beautiful bagged 5.0. But today we're going to back out the Cobra, get a little cold start.
Sounds very good.
She's stinky though. You smell that? Yeah, she looks good. Yep, so we got the SVT out. We're gonna dress the tires up a little bit, and she looks good though. She's looking cool. Alright guys, so right now we are headed to meet up with the boy Jacob R Doty. But yeah, we're gonna meet up there. Get a daily dose of Jamba Juice or something. And catch you guys in a bit. Shit, well I'll park in front of I don't know. I was just driving and I just saw this black 5.0. I had to come check it out. Yeah, Cobra swap. Yeah. Air out. Alrighty. What's up?
What's up, dude? How are you?
Good, good. Nice seeing you. I know, for real.
Jacob, my name is Josh. Nice to meet you, dude.
Finally got those things together.
Oh.
Looks good. Yeah, I know it's weird. Was it sunny near you or?
No, dude, it's been like this all day.
For real, yeah.
Oh,
I
look,
guess.
We got another one. Well, S550.
Oh, S550. The people.
She is how many years old? 15 years?
Was it 15? 2003? Yeah. No, 16?
17, dude. We're in 2020.
Oh, well, yeah.
17-year-old car.
Well, I'm 17, so the car's just as old as me then.
Yeah.
So technically, this car was almost born. It was probably born, if it was made in 2003 or that's the year, then I would assume that it was probably pre-made.
2003?
2002. Jeez. So this car was probably made at the same time like I was born maybe.
So young. I'm born in 97.
Yeah.
2000 now.
Yeah.
Especially people in 2000 that have a Cobra. Like, that's pretty crazy. He's got some.
What do you think about the SVs? It's pretty beefy, I think.
Yeah, they look nice. They're
yeah.
15s?
Yeah, they fit cool on this car. I mean, I would have liked welds, but we already tried that and.
Well, as long as they work.
Yeah, I know they're functional for sure, 100%.
He's got the drop top. He's got it tinted.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, we're in a race car.
The Cloud RXT.
That feels nice.
Yeah, that's cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like this.
It's not bad.
But yeah, it's got the boost gauge right there. AFR, you don't have a boost gauge, huh?
Yeah, well, I have an AFR gauge right there.
It's already on there. I've never been in a Terminator before.
Yeah.
They're tight. Like,
yeah, no, it's like when you sit in it, it's like it feels more compact for sure.
Yeah.
You definitely need a different seat if you're on the taller side though, I think.
Oh yeah.
Jamba Juice Max?
Hella. Literally identical. If I had a Honda Daily, I guess that would be my Honda.
The Civic gang. Really? Oh, shout out to that man's right there. I didn't hear him, but shout out to that man's.
Oh, getting the clip. It's all hidden.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's nitrous.
We got Mr. Jacob R Doty with the head mount on. And we got his bags, 5.0. You ready? Alright guys, so we're gonna film some videos with Mr. Jacob. We're gonna go to a specific location, get some cool shots, and show him around the town because he's new around here. Might have to go to Mexico or something. What do you think, Josh?
Mexico and back? Just throw it in there. No, I'm doing it.
We'll switch spots. Hey! Let's go! Yeah, it's already on. Just leave it. Did you hear me? No. Hold up. 9, 10, 11, 10. Put on 10. 11, 10. All right. Dude, this dude would not let me in. What the? Dude, that dude wouldn't let me in. He got pissed. Shit sounds good though, doesn't it? I used to work right there, yeah, for real. That's why I took my coworker for a ride. Yeah. It's a little loud. Spit a flame for us. These cars sound badass, guys. I love the 5.0, man. The way he's done to the S197 is beautiful. Can't complain. You know, some people are definitely S197 people. I like all the Mustangs. Mr. Jacob R Doty. Nah, yeah, you cool. Oh, the Miata gang. They're at Sheesh. That stance though.
They're lowered and everything?
Yeah, it's clean. I like this one.
They grew on me.
This shit's probably like 50 G's though.
I know. Alright, so the 19.
Oh, look at the plate.
It grew on me.
Oh yeah, the catfish little front. Hey, but look at the plate though, 5.0 though. I like that plate.
It's 5.0 though.
It's a 5.0 though.
And this is G though.
It's a G though.
It's a G-Wag though.
That's crazy. Nah, but for that price though, I've seen it like a million times. Like I would just get a GT350 used.
I know, dude. Those are like 45.
That's why I'm just like, they're not even worth it.
And PP2, PP3. All
Yeah, nah.
It's crazy.
50 G. Oh, were you putting it back?
Yeah. See, this is the Whipple. Oh, wow. There's a stock blower. What's it got done? This is the cocky Terminator over
The
there.
Cocky Terminator has a few things. It's got upgraded heat exchanger. It has a smaller pulley. I didn't know pulley. I'm gonna get the 4-pound lower pulley, the crank one, so it'll spin the blower even more with the ported setup. And then
The JLT.
full 30 volt.
There's a catless.
Full options. I mean, it's full bolt on now.
Yeah, but it's carb legal.
Yeah, that's the
Everything-
sticker. This JLT is carb legal. So, yeah, I mean, that's the benefit of it all right there.
You're good.
Yeah, we just mixed up today, cruising. Yeah.
Chocolate trucks, Mustangs, G-Wagons.
All right, guys, so we just got back from Mexico. We got the Cobra, Mr. Josh, and Mr. Jacob himself. So we got to give our list on the rundown of mods on your car because we never really talked about that.
Yeah, dude, because cocky 5.0. My stunt driver did really well. It was a fun race, like back and forth.
It was clean.
I mean, it was cool to watch. So that's the type of racing you like to enjoy, just because it's based on the driver, not just 1,000 horsepower versus 500 horsepower.
Yeah.
Get gapped.
No, it was clean.
Oh yeah. So I mean, mods. It's just a 5.0 Gen 1. It's got the MT82 on it. I think 355 gears, and then it has a clutch, so that way I can shift, and a Boss Manny, and then catless intake. That's really
and
good.
then the Lund sauce.
Yeah, it's got
Lund sauce. 91 tune.
91.
And then we got
no
the
85, no long tubes. Street tire and bagged.
Yeah,
so
and it makes the shifting on that car seems like it's easy too.
Yeah, the clutch makes.
Well, we'll drive them right now because we can just drive them on the street.
Yeah,
We'll switch cars.
The Mantic makes a big difference.
Yeah,
I want you to feel that.
Yeah, we'll fill out the Mantic. He'll fill out the McLeod. I mean, it's gonna be two different cars. The Cobra performed okay. I say like it's cool. but obviously everyone wants more power at the end of the day.
Oh yeah, well I mean,
Yeah.
and then once you start throwing boosts on these 5.0s, like
Yeah.
it's ridiculous. So
That's why we need a Whipple on this and the 5 points. I mean, on the Cobra, we're gonna need a Whipple
what
soon.
is the Cobra leader? I feel like it's bad to ask, but
How big the motor is?
Yeah.
4.6.
it's a 4.6.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's a 4-valve 4.6.
Yeah, it's a 4-valve
Yeah,
4.6.
okay. Yeah,
So
that makes sense.
for 2003, it's pretty ahead of its time.
With the forged rotating assembly though, that's big.
Yeah.
That's huge.
Yeah, we just need some extra boost. Cool though.
Start spraying?
Yeah. Yeah. Why are you spraying? No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, we'll test out each other's cars.
All
And
those people are talking smack that I was like, oh, I'm just gonna get straight gas. Hey, it was a good race.
yeah, the 5.0 is definitely quick. I can't lie.
Yeah.
And you
And
know,
it looks pretty when it sits. So
Yeah.
it goes and it looks good. That's
Yeah.
what I wanted to build.
newer isn't necessarily better, but I will say that the Coyote engines are definitely, and I've talked about
They
it
have a lot
before.
of technology,
Yeah.
Like in the internal.
Yeah,
internals.
and it has like almost like VTEC in itself,
Yeah.
low key.
Yeah,
You know,
cam timing.
Just
variable cam timing.
the technology in these cars is definitely more ahead of the Cobras, but you know, with Cobras, they're just kind of prepped for boost, you know, in
Yeah.
terms of.
Oh yeah, dude, this has a lot more headroom than mine.
Yeah,
Like,
so
that's big time.
it just depends, but
Yeah. Plus,
you know.
look at how well this aged.
Oh yeah,
I mean, that's why I got a 13 because it's gonna age the same, I think. But like the Cobra Terminator just like aged
it's
so
a
well.
timeless car, kind of.
Big time. Like
Gonna-
E46 M3.
Yeah, for sure. No, I definitely think so. We'll see. We're gonna drive. All right, let's see. Oh, this interior's pretty.
Might be shit on the seat.
All right, let's see. Neutral? That has to be neutral. It's just notchy, right? Oh, there you go. All right, guys, so we are in Jacob R Doty's 5.0, super clean. I love this, the carbon fiber accents on this car. Very MGW, right?
Yeah.
With that, probably wrap up the video. Give Mr. Jacob R Doty a follow on YouTube.
Down
Subscribe to him.
description.
Yeah, I'll put in the description. Yep.
Yep.
And go follow his badass build on his 5.0. Is it done? Boost maybe in the future?
Boost.
Probably boost.
Boost and a different wheel setup for actually getting traction.
Yeah,
Once that happens, we're gonna be.
Yeah, you're gonna need some 15s or something like that,
15 by
17s or something. So with that, we'll end the video right there, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.